So Naya is building her own dollhouse. Yeah. That's good. That's beautiful. She looks happy. Did she hang up her pajamas?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So what do you say next? So she needs a cushion on her chair.
Yeah.
That'd be a good idea. And I guess we need some drawers, don't we?
We're going to do it now.
Yeah.
Bye bye, the future.
Bye bye. You love it?
Yeah, Elsa likes it.
She does. Where's her sister?
She's still to the shop.
She's in the shops. So we're gonna make something to put here then. The chest of drawers. And then a few more shelves and stuff.
The cushion.
Ooh. Wink, wink, wink.
You can't fit